So today we have here the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. The unboxing is fairly simple. First up, we have our instruction booklet with some other papers inside, which we'll get to later. Let's put that aside, and once we take out the plastic separation, on the left is the doorbell itself. First impressions are it's very much more compact than the previous Ring Video Doorbell 2. Next, we have a variety of faceplates, including black, dark bronze, and finally satin white. Next, we have a tip on how to install your Ring Pro. And underneath that, we have the hardware used to install your Ring Pro at your front door. So inside, we have a Phillips screwdriver and the Pro Power Kit, which gives the power the doorbell needs. So next, we have anchors and mounting screws and all sorts of screws that you need to install wherever you're doing it. So finally, we have the wedge mounts, which is very helpful if you want to angle your mounting or your ring for the best field of view. So next, in the instruction booklet, we have a setup for your Ring app, and we also have the main booklet for instructions how to set it up. And there's also an app which is really helpful, which I have also linked in the description. So next, we have a Ring surveillance sticker, which should act as a deterrent. And finally, we have the optional retrofit kit, which could be helpful. And in an overview, this is everything that comes with the Ring standard package. So after setup, it should look like this. And for 85% of people, it should be fairly easy. But apparently it wasn't compatible with mine, so I had to call an electrician. But other than that, it is really simple. So when someone rings the doorbell, this is how it sounds outside. And if you have the optional $30 accessory, it acts as a doorbell. So if your old one does not work or something, you can use this. And keep in mind, all of these tones that this makes can also be adjusted through the Ring app. And this is how it sounds when somebody rings the doorbell. And when there's motion.
Talking to the Ring, it should sound like this. And with the active noise canceling feature, it allows you to hear each other without any disturbance in the background.
So this is the Ring app, and as you can see, it's very user-friendly. And let's click on Live View. And as you can see, the 1080p gives you a crisp video quality, and also the 160 view angle helps you see everything. Let's get out of that, and this is where you link the chime. App alert tones, which you can change the tones of your rings in motion. You can also lower the volume, and there's also motion snooze, which is also very helpful. And this is motion settings, where you can toggle off the motion sensitivity on your Ring doorbell. And this is also something that's new in the Ring Pro. It's the motion zones, where if it's colored, that's the only places where that motion can be alerted to your phone and given a notification. And you can change the areas with unlimited options. And there's also motion scheduling, which turns off your motion at a specified time if you go to work on a specific daily routine, and you don't want a notification, you can just put that in. Next up, we have our event history, and this all section gives you all of the alerts that have gone off, and this is motion and stuff. And so next up, we have the Ring chime area, which you can change the motion and ring sounds, and you could also toggle the volume. And this is where you link the Ring doorbell. So the Ring doorbell is perfect for security and to see who's at your door all in one package. If you'd like to see these products, you can check the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit that thumbs up button if you liked it.